Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are happy to announce the global launch of CUBET, brand new upcoming 4-inch smartphone. CUBET is well known for making an affordable consumer electronics and always stands for its quality and trust. This time they focused on making a mini mobile phone but still can offer all the smart features. This is the Cubot Pocket smartphone that comes with a pocket-friendly design and an affordable price tag. Those who doesn't like bulky big screen smartphone but still wanted to feel that smart touch experience, this is the perfect one to try. You can easily carry this smartphone around in a small pocket of your sportswear rather than having to hold onto it when you exercise. This one-hand friendly device available in 3 different colors. You get palm-sized device comes with a 4-inch QHD display with 540 by 1080p resolution. Also, this device is powered by T310 quad-core processor and comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage with TF card supports up to 128GB. Thanks to the decent hardware, you still can use this phone with all your daily tasks including browsing, social media and watching your favorite content on the go. When it comes to the battery, this phone has 3000 mAh battery and it comes with the Type-C charging port. More importantly, this Cubot Pocket comes with a 16 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel front camera. So still you can capture decent photographs with this. Also, this is a dual SIM smartphone and comes with latest Android 11 installed. Thanks to the multifunctional NFC, you can use Google Pay for easy payment without your wallet. Furthermore, it comes with GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Face ID and gyroscope. The actual global release will be end of this month, and if you are fancy winning one of these, please check the giveaway link in the description down below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, then you won't miss any upcoming videos. Well, that's all for now, and see you again with another one.